So this is our Sweep-O-Vac system. The product code is RP-2246. And this baby, like I said, is great for when you don't want to get down on your knees or you need something that's just a little bit faster than bending over and sweeping it up into a dustpan. It is pretty hands-free. It has this nifty little on and off switch right here that you can just tap with your foot or tap with your broom. You don't even need to bend over to turn it on. And it works great at sucking up everyday dry dust and debris. And if you're like me and have a golden retriever or some other kind of pet, it works great with pet hair and will save you a lot of time because I know you're probably sweeping more than the average person that doesn't have pets. It fits into most kitchens, utility rooms, and RVs, so it's pretty versatile. I'm gonna have them throw up the dimensions on the screen right now. So when you purchase this product, you are not just getting the vacuum body itself, you're actually getting several attachments with it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these attachments right now. I have them stashed next to me. So the first attachment that you have is this expandable 6 to 18 foot hose, and this simply just clips in right here in the front. And then you have the rest of the hose to sweep around and get underneath cabinets, or if you're using this in your RV, you can reach pretty much every nook and cranny in your living area. The next attachment is you get this little upholstery tool, and it comes with a removable brush head so that you can sweep up your couches or your dinettes and get the debris off of there. And then you also have this crevice tool that allows you to get in between your couch cushions or in other hard to get areas. So those are the attachments that come with this vacuum. It also comes with a 10-foot power cord. This vacuum runs off of 110 volts, and so it fits into your standard plugs. It also comes with 3 reusable filter bags and 1 HEPA filter. I'll show you guys how to replace the filter bags really quickly. It's pretty easy. You simply lift, there's a little area where you can stick your hand right here, and then you lift up and pull out. It is a little bit difficult on the first time, but as you are using it more and more, it gets easier. And then there's a little sticker right here, but you just push down this lever and the bag pops right out. Pretty easy. And then to put it back in, you push down the lever. You have to get this lined up just right, and then you pop the filter bag right back in. Got it on the first try. And then you just simply slide the drawer back in and you are good to sweep again. This is pretty easy to install. It also comes with a cardboard template for the cutout, so you don't need to spend time measuring this. It already comes with a template, and it also comes with 4 stainless steel mounting screws. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out the link in the description below. And while you're down there, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.